Hi, I'm J. Atish Rao. I'm a Fusion 360 certified user and Autodesk certified professional. I have over 10 years of design experience, especially in Fusion 360. I will be your instructor in this course. In this course, we will create more than 10 very familiar design concepts, which will not only brush up your existing design knowledge in Fusion 360, but also improve your skills by some hidden tips and tricks. If you are a complete beginner to Fusion 360, this course might not be for you. You need to have some fundamental knowledge of 2D sketching and 3D modeling. With that said, let's start with our first design concept from the very next lecture.